In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a video into your Shopify page. First of all, make sure that you are in the Shopify admin world. Keep in mind that you can view your online store by clicking View Your Online Store, and a new page like this should pop up. Head to the section under Themes by clicking on the online store. After you are in the themes, make sure that the current theme is chosen, as you can see, and click on Customize. Once you have clicked on that, you should be redirected to this page where you can customize your page. Now, this is the template, and this is the footer, the header. So let's try adding an element right below our product. So right here, I'm going to click on the plus button right here. So add section to template. So click on it. And inside of the sections, we can find multiple elements. We're going to look for the video, or you can use the search section. Click on video. Once you have done that, you can see that there is a video right here. Now, all we're going to need to do is do our own video. So there are two ways to do this. You can link the URL. So you link the URL if you have a YouTube video uploaded to your channel, or you can upload the video by hosting. So you can click on select right here, and you'll be able to choose the folder that you would like to host. After that, you should see your video right here. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to save the Shopify page after doing all of this, and you're good to go.